Is your everyday carry stuck in the past? Today, we're counting down the top 20 coolest EDC items of 2026 that are redefining pocket utility. From titanium multi-tools that disappear in your pocket to the best minimalist wallets and high-lumen flashlights, we've field-tested the latest tactical gear and survival gadgets you actually need. Whether you're a gear junkie looking for the next Leatherman killer or just want to upgrade your pocket dump, these are the EDC essentials that balance professional capability with DadOps durability. Stick around until number 10. It's a game-changing pocket pry bar that replaces 5 tools in your kit. Let's dive into the best EDC 2026 has to offer. Being prepared shouldn't slow down your mission. The Nextorch Pioneer multi-tool is a must-have for everyday carry in critical situations. This full-size, versatile multi-tool set with scissors and needle nose pliers, the Pocket Clip multi-tool packs a powerful 14-in-1 multi-tool design, including pliers, scissors, replaceable wire cutters, a saw, a cutting hook, an oxygen bottle wrench, a bottle opener, and more. Made with durable, scratch-resistant stone washing technology, it's lightweight, foldable, and ideal for camping, hiking, DIY, emergencies, and law enforcement scenarios. Freedom of movement should never be a limitation. The Paiseec mobility scooters are designed for seniors who need reliable, comfortable mobility every day. These powered mobility scooters feature a 4-wheel foldable mobility scooter design built for all-terrain travel, from grass to ramps. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy, it supports a 350-pound capacity, offers a 15-mile long range, includes LED headlights and jewel baskets for outdoor use, and delivers safe, smooth mobility for shopping, travel, and daily independence. Visibility can save lives when it matters most. Guardian Angel safety lights are a beacon device built for anyone who needs to get home safe. This rechargeable, magnetic, and hands-free wearable LED light delivers 360 degrees of lighting with 14 high-output LEDs visible up to 3+ miles. Rugged, IP68 industrial strength durability and versatile mounting make it ideal for dog walking, cycling, camping, kayaking, emergencies, and hands-free work lighting in any environment. When fire means survival, reliability matters. The Exotac nanoSPARK fire starter is a must-have tool for emergencies and outdoor adventures. This fire starter with one-handed operation features a high-spark flint wheel and a waterproof storage compartment that holds quick-light tinder and up to 5 replacement flints. Designed for one-handed use, even during injury, it's perfect for camping, hiking, bushcraft, survival kits, and emergency fire starting in any weather. Relief shouldn't wait until the pain takes over. The CooCoCo Shiatsu back massager is a must-have solution for daily comfort and recovery. Designed for pain relief deep tissue, this FSA-eligible HSA lower back massager with heat features 4D, rolling up and down. Back massage with 8 therapeutic nodes and adjustable intensity. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for home, office, or car use, and makes thoughtful Christmas and birthday gifts for men, women, him, and her. Don't let a small breakdown ruin your ride. The Bone Bike Toolkit Lite is a must-have for every cyclist who values readiness. This 12-in-1 mini bicycle repair capsule delivers big performance in a compact size. Packed in a scratch-free and waterproof silicone bag, it's a cycling accessory with a ratchet wrench designed for emergency maintenance, biking adventures, and quick home repair on the go. Hands-free comfort makes every task easier. The CXTX mobile phone holder is a must-have accessory for work, travel, and daily use. This 360-degree rotating mobile phone holder features a fully adjustable foldable desktop phone holder stand base for perfect viewing angles. Built from sturdy aluminum with anti-slip pads, these foldable desktop cell phone stands for iPhone Pro, iPad, and Samsung deliver stable support for video calls, recording, streaming, gaming, recipes, and office use. Keep your keys organized without the hassle of tangles. FEGVE keychain rings are a must-have for anyone who values durability and convenience. These small, heavy-duty keychain mini key holder connector keyrings for keys are crafted from TC4 titanium alloy, making them wear and corrosion resistant. Featuring a 360 degrees rotating key ring, they allow full range movement and versatility. Multifunctional and lightweight, they work as key rings, small chain connectors, bag pendants, or accessories for necklaces and bracelets. Keep your phone safe and accessible on every ride. The Bone Bike Tie Connect Kit is a must-have for cycling enthusiasts who need secure, hands-free phone access. This two-magnetic bike phone mount for STEM features a detachable and 360 degrees rotatable silicone phone holder compatible with most smartphones. With shock-absorbing silicone backing, wide compatibility, and tool-free installation, it ensures your phone stays protected and visible. Perfect for cycling on rough terrain, commuting, or navigating routes safely. Maximize your grip and crush every workout. Fireteam Fit Liquid Chalk is a must-have for anyone serious about weightlifting, rock climbing, cross-training, and powerlifting. This gym-approved workout chalk for hands and calluses is portable, creates less mess than block chalk, and lasts through entire sessions. Easy to apply, quick dry, and sweat-resistant, it helps you deadlift like a beast and get a grip for pull-ups, kettlebells, climbing, gymnastics, and more. Perfect for home or gym use. Simplify your carry without sacrificing security. The Ridge wallet is a must-have slim minimalist, front pocket, RFID, card holder wallet that combines style, durability, and protection. Made from military-grade materials, this compact wallet holds 1 to 12 cards and features an integrated cash strap for easy access to bills. Its rigid aluminum body blocks RFID scanning, keeping your information safe, while its functional, slim design fits effortlessly in your pocket. Perfect as a card holder, everyday wallet, or sleek accessory for men on the go. Stay powered up anytime, anywhere. The Rolling Square. Charging cable is a must-have 6-in-1 portable universal charging cable for anyone juggling multiple devices. Featuring USB-C, Lightning, USB-A, and micro USB connectors, it delivers 100-watt ultra-fast charging power and supports data transfer across devices. Its unique design with removable adapters allows 6 charging configurations, while the protective cap keeps connectors safe. Perfect for laptops, tablets, phones, and more, this Swiss-designed cable ensures convenience, speed, and versatility for travel, work, or daily use. Stay fresh on the go without carrying bulky bottles. The Lil Ray Portable Mini Perfume is a must-have, refillable small spray bottle for travel. This twist-type pocket cologne sprayer features a compact size that easily fits in a purse or beauty pouch, making it ideal for travel. Crafted with a stylish aluminum shell and glass inner container, it's easy to use. Twist to reveal the nozzle and spray. Perfect for perfume, aftershave, or makeup remover anywhere, anytime. Never let a flat tire slow your ride. The Magicshine AIRRO Mini Bike Pump is a must-have, max 120 psi electric bicycle pump for every cyclist. Featuring auto stop and a digital pressure gauge with Presta and Schrader valves, it's perfect for road, mountain, city, and e-bike tires and bulls. Its powerful brushless motor delivers rapid inflation, while precision sensors ensure accurate pressure. Ultra-portable and lightweight, it includes all essential accessories, making it ideal for travel, emergencies, or everyday cycling adventures. Stay powered wherever life takes you. The Nitecore power bank is a must-have 5,000 mAh power bank, portable charger, and fast-charging battery pack for cell phone use. Featuring a stylish carbon fiber magnetic design, it supports 15-watt Qi wireless and 20-watt QCPD wired charging. With IPX5 water resistance, fingerprint and corrosion-resistant matte finish, and slim 120-gram portability, it's perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, or daily use. Automatic magnetic attachment ensures stable, effortless charging anytime, even with phone cases. Keep your keys secure and accessible in style. The Hcuocsk keychain is a must-have car key rings accessories for men and women. Featuring a carabiner clip keychain bottle opener, this outdoor key holder combines convenience, durability, and versatility. Crafted from heavy-duty material with a scratch-resistant electroplating finish, it resists corrosion and daily wear. With dual key rings for organized storage and a self-locking clip, it's perfect for home, office, car keys, or clipping to backpacks, ideal for gifting or everyday use. Stay visible and safe wherever your adventures take you. The Meolight Lite, a wearable flashlight chest LED safety light for dog collars, bike tail lights, hiking, camping, and reflective accessories, is essential for running, dogs, and walking. With 500 lumen ultra-bright output, multiple lighting modes, and patented fabric connection technology, it mounts easily to clothing, gear, or collars. Compact, USB-C rechargeable, and versatile, it works as a headlamp, bike light, safety light, or hiking companion, perfect for nighttime walks, running, camping, and outdoor activities. Start your day with healthy hydration made simple. The juicing bottle is a must-have 4-pack wide-mouth glass bottles with lids for juicing, smoothies, infused water, and beverage storage, 16 ounces. Made from BPA-free borosilicate glass with leak-proof stainless steel lids, these reusable bottles are perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, juices, or ice. Wide mouth openings make mixing and pouring easy, while airtight lids keep drinks fresh. Ideal for hot or cold beverages, they're easy to clean and fit conveniently in car holders or the fridge. Never be without fire when you need it most. The Exotac lighter holder case is a must-have quality design accessory that protects your classic Bic lighter while providing a hands-free strap to engage the gas. Its fire sleeve design features 2 lashing points for easy attachment to lanyards or packs, waterproof up to 3 feet, with a safety cap to prevent accidental ignition. It's perfect for survival, emergencies, or everyday use, lighting candles, grills, cigars, or cigarettes safely and reliably. Boost focus and relieve stress wherever you write. The HEQ's spinning fidget pen is a must-have fidget ballpoint pen, a metal writing tool, a practical pen, and a stress-reducing ballpoint pen with an LED light. Crafted from durable copper and zinc alloy, it's sturdy, anti-corrosive, and long-lasting. This multifunction pen includes a smoothly spinning fidget feature and a press-activated LED light for fun or emergency use. Perfect for students, teachers, designers, or professionals, it helps regulate mood, improve attention, and add enjoyment to daily writing. That wraps up our list of the top 20 EDC items for this year. Most of these everyday carry essentials are available at the links in the description below. But we want to hear from you. Which of these gadgets is making it into your 2026 gear haul? Drop a comment with your current pocket dump. If you found this guide helpful, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more EDC reviews and survival gear breakdowns. If you're looking for more minimalist carry inspiration, click right here to watch our deep dive into the best tactical folding knives of the year. Stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next one.